YouTube deleted my channel. Yes, this channel. It stayed deleted for about 2 days, and after a lot of trying from me to restore it, it was restored. But this changed everything. To mark that fork in the road for this channel, I'm wearing this cap, well, at least a cap from now on. Here's what happened. Out of nowhere, one day, when I refreshed YouTube to check my stats, I got this message. All my videos, all my work, everything that I did in 6 years was just removed. Just like that. No warning, no explanation. It just said it violated the community guidelines. My first thought was this was a mistake, a bug, something. There needs to be an explanation, but it seems like my only option was to appeal the decision. So I made an appeal explaining that my channel is with educational videos and I did not spam or break terms, copyright, or IP. The response of the appeal came in a few hours, and the response was that they checked again and that the removal decision was the correct one and the final one. So I lost my channel just like that. Nothing specifying anything that helped them make the decision, did not know what happened, what I did wrong. Again, all my videos, all my work removed with no heads up and no clear reasoning as to why. In an instant by YouTube just because it's their platform. I am just a user on this platform, a guest. I have the privilege to get to post my work here, and they can kick me out anytime they want. They make the rules. This is their land. I was sad. It was disconcerting, frightening, and really brought a lot of perspective into a lot of things. They can do this. And if my life would have been in any way reliant on this channel, that would be over right now. Well, in a big way. I might have continued in different ways, but it would have taken a big chunk of all the attention and out of everything. I did not post anything controversial, did not post anything explicit, nothing illegal, nothing immoral. Everything I have here is strictly educational. Yet, the channel was removed for breaking the community guidelines. Now, I can understand that YouTube is trying to keep things clean, validating and removing bad actors. I can understand that. I can understand that most likely because there's so much content on YouTube and so many channels, AI models, deep learning models, clustering models were used to differentiate the channels, the content. Most likely my channel fell into a false positive cluster data point, but the fact that it confirmed the false positive after making the appeal, it's a bit concerning. Especially if, like I said, if my channel would have been crucial and necessary for me to exist, for my livelihood. Maybe for bigger channels this doesn't happen. Maybe. I don't know. But after I submitted the claim, I got rejected. And even though I was bummed out for almost a day, I didn't give up. And then I saw on X that there's an account named @TeamYouTube that was answering questions to people, and they kind of, acted like support. So I contacted them. They responded and DM'd me immediately. And in the DM, I explained the situation thoroughly, and nothing. No more responses from them. Well, for about 24 hours. I'll get to that. I didn't give up just yet, so I went to support.google.com, searched for YouTube issues, and started a conversation with someone from support regarding my problem. They were very nice and got back to me after our initial chat via email, where we communicated back and forth a bit. The @Team YouTube channel account replied eventually, saying that they're looking into it, And then after a few more hours, 48 hours passed since it was deleted, approximately, I received an email from YouTube community guidelines that said that they took another look and the channel did not appear to violate their terms of service. So they restored it. Yay! That explains how I'm able to post this right now, right? So the AI made my channel a false positive and removed it. I didn't get an explanation to what happened specifically, but obviously I got the channel back. But this is still all very concerning, and this is true for any platform out there, not just YouTube. You put your life, your business, yourself on it, and it crashes, or they just decide to remove you specifically, just like that. Unless you have everything backed up and are able to post somewhere else and hope that you're going to start from scratch someplace else, you're left with nothing. And all your subscribers from YouTube, fans, people, history even, I couldn't access my history. All the people that follow you, the people that like you, for those people you disappear. And I have to admit, this was a wake-up call. Not placing all your eggs in one basket made more sense than ever. But something had to change, because something changed in me in that moment, the moment that this happened. So I guess my ML and AI educational channel is not what YouTube wants. The algorithm is easily flagging this content twice as a false positive. Not cool, but fine. I understand. YouTube seems to be mostly about entertainment. Even the successful educational channels out there, the most successful ones on YouTube that I'm seeing, have an entertainment angle to them. And I guess that's how they got so successful. I get it. Fine. No more bottom up education here, because there's the top down education and the bottom up education. I'll spare you the details on that. You can Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, whatever. I'm keeping the name. I'm working on a new description. And I will no longer post bottom up, boring educational content. And just to give you a taste of what it was like to have the channel removed, imagine everything being A-OK for 6 years, and then in one day